National Weather Service meteorologists were tracking a tornado on radar 16 miles northwest of San Manuel.